This is a cisa c3000 from John Dow. I don't really know if you can see that well, but the keyway spells cisa. So when you try to get into it with a 39,000 Lawlock Tools pry bar and a 15,000 multi-pick, so number 5, and then we get a false set. Number 6. All right, number 6. That's on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's on 1. That's on 2. Maybe something out of 3. 3. So 1, 2, 2, 1. Did I slip off of it? 1. If I drop number 2, 2, 1, 2. Drop number 3 in the process, I believe. Do that over just on the wording. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's number 4. So there's 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Okay, so that's open. If you notice, I had to do a bunch of bouncing back and forth. It's because this lock has 4 really deep spools, and then number 5 is a anti-bump pin and pin. So when I got all the other pins set, I had to go back to number 5 and just push that little pin and pin back up above the shear line to get that open. But that's the cisa C3000.